Good morning, guys. I hope you had a good weekend. It was Mother's Day weekend, so I hope you all did something nice for your mother. I had a great weekend, and both of my sons called me, told me they loved me, and happy Mother's Day. I want to start by saying last Tuesday, when I asked you to do pages 7, 8, I believe 9 and 10, I put that those pages were to be done in your pupils book. Actually, when I was looking through your books this weekend, those were to be done in your workbook. It's okay if you have not done it. We will do it now together. So please get out your English workbook, okay? See what time it is. Okay, yeah, get out your English workbook and we'll do that together. Also, you will have a quiz today because your class is 2 hours long. And I saw on Friday that a couple of you had questions for me. If you have questions, go ahead and put it in the discussion. I will be online the whole 2 hours. Just because you cannot see me, I still will be on. So anyone that has a question, I will be able to answer it. I cannot do Zoom with my laptop. Actually, a lot of teachers cannot do it with their laptops. We're trying to figure that problem out now. So I will do videos for now, and I will put them on YouTube. You can watch them, and we will do the lesson together, okay? Now, to start, I would like to go over page 8. Page 8 was not that hard at all. It says, read the story. Write a shopping list for Sally's mom. Use an, a, some, or a lot of. So those are the phrases we're going to use to for Sally to ask her mom or tell her mom the things that she would like from the grocery store, okay? So it's called a shopping list, okay? I'll read it and then we'll go through we'll go 1 through 6 and answer the questions, all right? So, it is your birthday on Saturday, Sally, Mom said. Let's buy some things for the party. Can I have a lot of balloons and some pizza, please? Sally asked. Okay. Shall I also buy some chicken sausages for your friends? Said Mom. Yes, please. My friends and I like sausages. Can I have my favorite apple pie and a lot of sandwiches too? Said Sally. Yes, Sally. You can also have a birthday cake, said Mom. Hooray! Thank you, Mom, said Sally. Okay, so we got it? So number 1, we will put, what's the first thing? One of the first things we see on here. Number 1, I wrote a cake, okay? I don't know if that's the first one. The first one is a lot of balloons, okay? So for number 1, let's put a lot of balloons because she asked for, can I have a lot of balloons, okay? And then some pizzas. So we will put some pizzas. A lot of balloons is actually, it could be 1 pack, 2 packs, you know, if there's 20 in a pack, just a lot. She wants a lot of balloons and she wants some pizzas, enough for her and her friends, okay? We will put chicken sausages, okay? You can put some sausages or just chicken sausages. You don't actually have to put some, okay? Okay? An apple pie. So for, she said, can I have my favorite apple pie? So you're not going to write my favorite apple pie. You're just going to put an apple pie. And the reason it is an is because apple starts with an A. Since A is a vowel, you cannot put a apple pie. You will put an apple pie, okay? So we'll put an apple pie. Sandwiches. We don't need to put a lot of sandwiches, although you can, okay? When you put the S on sandwiches, it makes it plural. I'm sure her mother knows how many sandwiches she will need for the party. So it's up to you. I don't really mind if you put a lot of sandwiches or just put sandwiches. I know what you mean. And then last but not least, we're going to put a cake. It's not going to be an cake because C is a consonant. It's not a vowel. So you can use a instead of n, okay? Whenever you use a, to describe something, if the next word starts with a consonant, it's okay to use a. If the next word starts with a vowel, you need to use n. So, for example, alligator. You're not going to say a alligator because alligator starts with a vowel, a. So, you need to add a consonant to make it blend better. So, you are going to say an alligator. An alligator. An orange. An apple. Okay? Anything that starts with A, E, I, O, or U, you're going to use N. An ice cream. An ice cream cone. Okay? A book, a computer, a teacher. All right? I want to make sure you guys understand that. For pages 9 and 10, you guys should pretty much know how to do that yourselves. Let me go over them really quick in case you don't. Write what Ann and her mom would say. Okay? So for number 1, Ann would say how many sandwiches with an S because there's more than one. It's a countable thing. So how many sandwiches are there, Mom? There are 5 sandwiches. Okay? How much? I'm not sure what that is, you guys. I don't know. Is that jelly maybe? So let's say how much jelly is there, or that could be meat. I think that's supposed to be jelly. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. So anyway, let's say that's meat, maybe ham. How much meat is there, Mom? There's still a lot. Someone only took a little bit off. So there is a lot of meat, okay? Orange juice. I guess she's going to say how much orange juice is there, Mom? There is a lot of orange juice. And let's go back to 2. Maybe the whole plate was full, so maybe we will say there is a little meat left. There is a little meat, okay? How much meat is there, Mom? There is a little meat left. There's a little meat left because there's still some there, so. And you can't say there's a little meat, okay? There is some meat. There is a little meat, but you still need to put left because it's still there. There's some meat left. There's a little meat left, okay? How much orange juice is there, Mom? There's a lot of orange juice left, okay? How many pies are there, Mom? There are 2 apple pies. So how many apple pies? How many pies? You don't have to put apple. It does not matter to me. How much lemonade is there, Mom? There is a little lemonade left, okay? So make sure we put left. If there's still something there, you usually should put left after it. So, number 1, how many sandwiches are there, Mom? And since we can count them, there are 5 sandwiches, Sally. How much meat is there, Mom? There is a little meat left, Sally. How much orange juice is there, Mom? There is a lot of orange juice left, Sally. How many pies are there, Mom? There are 2 apple pies, Sally. How much lemonade is there, Mom? There is a little lemonade left. Okay? Now, I know you all can read well, and I did ask you to read a birthday surprise and answer the questions. If you did not, please do so. We will go over the answers for a birthday surprise and a party for twins together. Actually, let's go ahead and do a birthday surprise together now. Let me see what time it is. Okay, yeah. Let's do a birthday surprise together now. And a party for the twins, I would like you to read after you watch this video. Answer the questions. I will make sure I put it in. I will put it as an assignment for you guys to do classwork. And actually, I want you to do page 14. We will go over tomorrow. So you will do page 13 and page 14 in your workbooks. Okay? So read the story on 13, answer the questions, and page 14 is just going over the sound BL, blah, 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 and CL, 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 cl. Clumsy, climb, close, BL, black, blue, okay? So I want you to do those tomorrow. I want to make sure you know your sounds, and I also want you for tomorrow to answer a party for the twins. So let's go ahead, read this story on page 11, and we'll do the questions together. Okay, here we go. Read and listen to the story. You can actually take your finger, put it on the words, and read with me. Okay, so that will help you identify the words. When you hear me say them and you see them with your eyes and your finger is pointing at them, if there's a word you may not know, it will help you to learn it. Okay, so here we go. Friday was a special day for Lisa. It was her birthday. Lisa saw her parents, but they didn't say happy birthday. She saw her friends at school, but they didn't give her a birthday present or birthday cards. Wow, I bet you she's kind of worried. What a sad day, Lisa said. I'm going to bed. Mom and Dad didn't remember my birthday. My friends forgot my birthday too. Wow, that's pretty sad. Let's see what happens. Then Lisa heard a knock on her bedroom door. Please come out, Lisa, Mom said. Lisa opened the door and went to the dining room with Mom. Surprise! Lisa's parents and her friends shouted, Happy birthday! They sang the birthday song for her. There were a lot of colorful balloons in the dining room. Lisa said, Wow, look at all of the food and drink on the table. There are pizzas, sandwiches, and lemonade. And there are so many presents and cards too. I love surprises, said Lisa. What a great birthday party this is. Thank you very much. Okay? So everyone made her think that they forgot it was her birthday. Actually, that's a pretty cool surprise. And then later, they all surprised her. So she was feeling sad, and she went from sad to super happy, okay? So question number 1. Before the party, Lisa felt blank about her birthday. When I say blank, that means the space is empty because there's a blank. I'll read it with the word blank, and then we'll fill in the answer. So before the party, Lisa felt blank about her birthday. How do you think Lisa felt? I think before the party she felt sad because she thought everyone forgot it was her birthday, right? So for number 1, we'll put sad. I'll write it in my book too. Sad. Okay. Number 2, Lisa went to bed because, did she go to bed because, Lisa went to bed because blank. Did she go to bed because she wanted to sleep? She wanted to read a bedtime story is B. C, she wanted to read her birthday cards. Or D, her family and friends forgot her birthday. Remember, she was sad, which is letter A for number 1. So number 2, why was she sad? She was sad because her friends and family forgot her birthday. D. So I guess you can go ahead and write D because that's a pretty long sentence. And actually for number 1, if you just want to put an A, that's okay. If you wrote sad, it's fine too. Okay? For number 3, the surprise birthday party was in the, wow, I don't remember that one. Let's go back. If you don't remember something, it's okay to go back and read it again. So let's go back and read it again. If you know it, go ahead and answer it. I'm going to go back. I don't remember. The surprise birthday party was in the blank. So, surprise, Lisa's parents and her friends shouted, Happy birthday. They sang the song. There were a lot of colorful balloons in the dining room. So number 3, the surprise birthday party was in the A, kitchen, B, bedroom, C, living room, or D, dining room. It was in the dining room, D. Okay? Now 4, there are a lot of blank at the party. A, flowers, B, animals, C, balloons, or D, special clothes. I remember balloons. C. Let me go back and double check to make sure I'm right. There are pizzas, shopping, there are presents and cards, a lot of colorful balloons. Okay, we got that one right. And last but not least, at the party, which is number 5, at the party, Lisa felt blank. At the party, did she feel sad? A. Angry? B. Happy? C. Or scared? D. Well, I think this one's pretty easy. Most of us are going to feel feel C, happy at a birthday party. And she did too because it was a surprise and she didn't know about it. Okay? So, now that you did that with me, I would like you to read page 13, A Party for the Twins. Answer the questions in full sentences You're in 3rd grade now, so I expect every sentence to have a capital, begin with a capital letter, full stops, question marks, whatever, whichever you need, depending on the sentence. I don't know exactly how you're supposed to write them. Just make sure you have your capital letters and full stops, okay? And we'll go over this tomorrow. And also, do not forget page 14 in your workbook. Thank you, and good luck on your quiz. And don't forget, I'm online if you have any questions. I don't know if I really want you to ask any questions about the quiz. Regarding the quiz, I'd like you to try your best. If you don't get answers right, it's okay. We will work on them together. However, do not ask me any questions regarding the quiz. If you have a question regarding your homework or something that I assigned for today, you can ask me a question about that. But go ahead and spend hour 2 on your quiz. Hour 1, you should have watched this video and do the pages that I assigned. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.